Klacci is on a mission to revolutionize the hospitality industry, the education industry, the residential industry, and pretty much any other industry that uses one of these. Why? Because every day, countless germs are being spread with a twist, a turn, a push, and a pull. And we believe we can do something about it. With our Mobile Access series, your customers can skip the counter and the crowds by accessing their room right from their phone. And with our touchless power door operators using motion technology, thermal technology, and infrared technology, germ transmission from high touch points becomes a thing of the past. And that is only the beginning. Let's open a new door to the future together. Klacci. Life unlocked.